Hey kids, welcome to Digital School for Kids. Today we're going to have fun with a super cool animals quiz. Can you guess all the animals? From easy to hard. Let's find out. Starting with the easy level. Guess this animal. Cow. Great job. That was an easy one. What's the name of this animal? Dog. Woof woof. You got it. Can you name this one? Cat. Perfect. What animal is this? Elephant. Big and brilliant. Take a guess. Lion. Roaring right. What do you think this is? Tiger. Name this animal. Sheep. What's this animal called? Goat. Nice pick. Guess the animal. Duck. Quack quack. Correct. What animal do you see? Rabbit. Hop to it. Try this one. Horse. Take a look. Monkey. Swinging success. What's its name? Giraffe. Who is this? Bear. Very good. Try to name this one. Zebra. Black and white. Who's that animal? Chicken. Cluck yeah. Can you guess it? Penguin. Ice cool. Guess the name. Frog. Ribbit ribbit. Right on. What do you call this one? Fish. What's this animal? Deer. That was dearly accurate. Can you name it? Parrot. Polly would be proud. Guess this one. Donkey. Hee-haw, you did it. What's the name? Tortoise. Slow and steady win. Try this animal. Snake. Super guess. Who is this? Owl. Wise choice. What's this? Crab. Clossum. Guess the animal. Starfish. You're a star. Who's this? Turkey. Gobble great. What's the name? Goose. Goose-tastic. Try this one. Ant. Tiny but mighty. Can you name it? Butterfly. Fluttering fabulous. Guess this cute one. Koala. Cuddly win. What's this animal? Camel. You nailed that hump. Guess this. Fox. Fantastic. What do you think? Seal. Sealed with success. Try this. Bat. Who's that? Lobster. Pinch perfect. What's this animal? Peacock. Fancy feathers. Medium level. Guess this animal. Flamingo. Can you name it? Dolphin. You're on a splash. What's this animal? Hedgehog. Pointy and perfect. Try this one. Crocodile. Snappy guess. What do you see here? Raccoon. You masked that one. Who's this? Squirrel. What animal is this? Llama. No drama with that llama. Take a guess. Reindeer. Guess this furry animal. Mole. You dug that up. What is this? Whale. Big brains. Guess this animal. Wolf. Howling success. What's this one called? Skunk. Smelly but smart. Can you name this one? Chimpanzee. Monkey business. What animal do you see? Sloth. Try this colorful one. Toucan. Beak brilliance. Name this sea creature. Walrus. Mustache magic. What's the name of this one? Shrimp. Small but strong. Can you guess it? Jellyfish. Glowing wing. Take a look at this bird. Eagle. Sharp-eyed guess. Guess this bouncing animal. Kangaroo. Hopped right on. Who's this one? Antelope. Antel. Whoa. What's this powerful beast? Bison. Big and bold. Try to name this fast animal. Cheetah. Fast answer. What do you call this one? Mongoose. You nailed it. Guess the strong jungle animal. Gorilla. Strong pick. What's this laughing animal? Hyena. Laughing good. Look at this spiky animal. Porcupine. Sharp mind. Can you name this tall bird? Ostrich. Tall and true. Guess this tiny pet. Hamster. Tiny genius. What's this colorful bird? Macaw. Colorful choice. Try this alert animal. Meerkat. Alert and awesome. Guess the bumpy one. Toad. Ribbit right. Who's this big bird? Emu. That's rare. Try this sneaky one. Weasel. Quick pick. Guess this Arctic animal. Arctic fox. Cool guess. Try this seabird. Puffin. Puffin perfect. Can you name this deep sea fish? Goosefish. Deep sea done. Look at this wild cat. Ocelot. Spot on. What's this mountain goat? Ibex. You're climbing high. Guess this rare one. Okapi. That's a tricky win. Final challenge. Try this one. Axolotl. Wow, you got it. What's this ocean creature? Narwhal. Unicorn of the sea. Can you name it? Pangolin. Scaly smart. Who's this? You nailed that. What's this smiley animal? Quokka. Try this bird. Shoebill. Big beak brilliance. Guess this desert fox. Fennec fox. Big ears. Big win. What's this cute critter? Red panda. Red and ready. Who's this tiny primate? Tarsier. What animal is this? Maned wolf. Right guess. Can you name it? Cassowary. That was bold. Try this one. Fossa. Guess the bear. Sun bear. You shine bright. What's this sea creature? Dugong. Smooth sailing. Try this tricky one. Tapir. Proboscis power. Animal explorers. How many did you guess? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again.